Here are some of the traditional consequences of incest, IBENNE, in Igbo communities. 1. This Mmanu ceremony. In some Igbo communities, this Mmanu ceremony was used as one of the cleansing rituals. This means that the culprits will be brought to the village square naked, booed, and disgraced. Sometimes the male culprits will be thoroughly beaten by the youths. 2. Ostracization or banishment. In ancient times, the individuals involved were banished from the community even if the act was committed out of ignorance. 3. Family disintegration. Such an act could lead to family disintegration, broken relationships, divorce, and loss of family honor. 4. Social stigma. Children born from incest were historically labeled as ume, outcasts, and they faced rejection as the community tried to strongly discourage such acts. 5. Wrath of the gods. The Igbo believed incest provoked the wrath of the gods and the ancestors, leading to misfortune, strange illnesses, infertility, bad luck, and even death, not just for the culprits, but for the entire community. 6. Need for cleansing rituals. To restore spiritual balance, the family and the community need to perform some elaborate and expensive purification rites known as Ekboaro to cleanse the land and prevent disaster. It's worth mentioning here that if someone commits incest, IBENNE, and concealed it, the person may be walking freely until later in life when the person may have forgotten about it. That's when the anger of the gods will rise against such a person and make that person's life unbearable. In Igbo belief, incest is not a personal sin. It is seen as a threat to the moral order of the entire community.